Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use NordVPN on Firestick. Pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Amazon Firestick. Navigate to the search bar on the home screen. Type in NordVPN using the on-screen keyboard. Select the NordVPN app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app. You will be prompted to sign in. Enter your NordVPN account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one through their website. After signing in, you'll see a list of server locations. Choose a server based on your streaming preference. For the best performance, select a server that is geographically close to you. Now, click the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. Wait for the app to confirm that you are connected. Once connected, return to the home screen. Navigate to your preferred streaming app. Open that app to begin enjoying secure streaming. If you encounter any issues, revisit the NordVPN app settings. Make sure that your connection is active and check for any updates. Consider enabling features like the kill switch for added security. Now, you are ready to stream safely and privately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.